Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a div block in Webflow 2026. So you may ask, what is a div block? So it's the most flexible layout element in Webflow. You use it to group elements, create custom layouts, build grids, and flex layouts. Also, that allows you to control spacing and structure. So you can think of it as a building block for your design. So actually, to add it, you will need just open Webflow Designer, and to do that, go with your dashboard here and then just open your project on the designer. Okay, and here you will need to open add a panel, and to do that you will need to click on add elements option or the plus icon that's located on the left panel or left sidebar, and then just go with the basic section here so you can see the div block, and just drag it and drop it inside the section, a container, or even another div block. So for example, I will drag it just right here. So this is my div block, and that way I added it to my website. Or you can go with the navigator bar right here and then just select where you want or where you want it to be placed. So for example, I will go with the divider here, and then I will go and click on the add elements option and click on div block. Right, so this is the second method. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.